Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Learning HTML. So, in this episode, I'm going to go into some depth about some tags. And the tags we're going to go into is the heading tags, paragraph tags, link tags, image tags, a button tag, and a simple list tags. We're going to go through them in basic amount of information. We will go into further depths of them, but I just want to get a bit of a basic code up and running so we can expand them. So first we're going to start with the first one, and that's the header tags. So with header tags you can start from H1 and it goes up all the way to H6. Now there is a difference between each tag. Now, I'll show you this now. Let me just create them all. So let's do H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Now, it only goes from H1 to H6, nothing above or below. Now, I'll show you what the difference is between them all. I'm going to put the same thing with them in them all, so you can see the difference correctly. Now if I control save this, so control S, and then reload this in the browser, you can see what's happened here. H1 is the biggest, H6 the smallest, and everything between varies in size. Now, that's pretty much what it is. From more importance to less importance. Okay? Now, the sizes and colours and everything could be changed. So this one could actually be bigger than that one. But you'll do that. But I'll go into more depth of that later on and explain how you would do that. But for now, let's just carry on with the basics. So now let's go into the paragraphs. So we've already got one, but let's create another one. So we're going to start with the P tag. We're going to type in, this is some more text. We'll do another one. This is even more text. Okay, so quite simple. So control S, save that, reload the page. There we go. Yep. Now we're going to quickly go and do a link. So for a link it's like this, href equals quotations, and then you would put your link in here. We're going to do the link to another HTML page what we will create, and we're going to call that page about.html. Now, yep. Put some text for the link. So we're just going to put click here, and then we're going to end it like so. Very control S, and then show you what this did. See what it's done? So if we click here, oh, it didn't work. I wonder why. So I'm going to copy this entire thing. I'm going to create a new document. Paste this in here. This one I'm going to change to back to index, and you'll see why in a minute. And I'm going to save as. I'm going to call this one about.index. No, about.html, sorry. It's already been set at the bottom, so I don't need to put the extension. So save that. Now, if I go back and click on this, it works. you can't really tell any difference. So what we're going to do on this one, in the title, I'm just going to quickly go and talk about Control S. On this one, I'll do home. Control S. Now you'll see the difference between them. This one's about, click on it, home, about, home, different pages, and this is what takes you to it. And because they're in the, both of the documents are in the same folder as each other, you don't need to make this any longer than it needs to be. For example, if it was in different folders, you would do something like, I don't know, home slash, and so on, depending on the directory where things are located. But we'll get into that soon. Now, let's move on to a simple button. This is simply like that button, and then you type in something here. So we'll just type in button for now. I'll close that. That's a simple button. And we're going to do a simple list as well, an unordered list. First, I'm going to save this and show you what this did. There we go. We got a little button. Now I want that underneath it. Now it does nothing at the minute, but we will change that. Also, I want this to be underneath this. So I'm just going to do something called BR. It's a break. This just separates the code that you created and puts it underneath, if it doesn't do it already on the page, like so. So if I save this, there we go, and that's underneath. But let's move on to the table. Well, the list, sorry. So to start off the list, we're going to do an unordered list. So we're going to do UL for unordered list, and in between this, we're just going to do li for list. We're just going to name some animals in our list. So let's start off with a dog. There's another one. Alright. We're going to go for a cat. Another one. Let's go for frog. There we go. So we'll show you what this did. Save that, reload the page, and there we go. Now we've got a little list. So quite simple. I hope you learned something from it. Now this is just a base that I've created, it's not what we're going to work on in the future. I hope you understood what I tried to teach you. You will learn a lot more in the future videos, so if you enjoyed this and it was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.